Hello all, I've got some very exciting news to share with you. At Craftmania today, we have launched our brand new rewards program. This is the Craftmania Inner Circle Rewards, and it's all about rewarding you, our loyal customers, and giving you some pennies off of your spending. So as you shop with us, for every £1 you spend, we will give you a point. You can then collect your points, and when you reach 125 points, it becomes worth £5 that you can cash in and use against your shopping. As you collect your points, you can carry on up and raise through our tiers. So for instance, our first tier takes you from 0 to 500 points. Once you've reached 500 points, you will become a gold member. And from that point, when you achieve 125 points, that will actually be worth £6.25. So the more you collect, the more you're going to be rewarded. Then as you carry on from that point, when you reach 1,000 points, you're going to become one of our diamond members. And at that stage, each 125 points will become worth £7.50 that you can then take off of your shopping at checkout. There'll also be some cheeky promotions along the way and different bits and bobs that we'll be able to do and reward you with for our different tiers and member levels as we go forward in the next few months. This is really about us trying to help reward you, our loyal customers. We know that you've got a lot of choices in life on where you buy your crafty goodies, but we'd love to actually build our inner circle and bring you in and make you part of our Craftmania family even more than you might have already felt. Because to us, that's what this is all about, is making your crafty journey a joyous occasion and giving you a hub in which you can come to, purchase your goodies and benefit and save points and feel like part of the family. Now, on this note, we've also taken today, the 1st of November 2024, as a chance to reflect and change our postage system. As many of you know, postage in the UK has rose astronomically in the last few years. Not even years, months, to be honest with you. Now, our postage has never changed. Since we launched our website back in, I believe, 2020, it was always the same postage rates. And we didn't want to hike this too much and scare anybody. So what we're doing is we're starting off with our first rise in 4 years. And now your free P&P threshold will be for when you spend £10. So anytime you spend £10, you're going to receive free UK P&P. Now, we've also taken your feedback, and this is always something that's very important to us at Craftmania, is listening to what you're asking for and trying to help you and work with you. When we bandy about the word family, we truly mean it, and this is no different. And we've picked up a little bit of a request that we can offer a quicker postage option. Now, you know us here at Craftmania, we pick and pack and send your orders as quickly as we humanly possibly can. But of course, we can't control what Royal Mail or the different shipping options actually do with the products and how quickly they get them to you when we choose to ship at second class, which is what you're going to receive when you spend your £10 and get your free UK P&P. But we can, of course, bring you an option, and that is for you to upgrade your postage to first class. So as of today, when you're checking out, if you would like to upgrade your postage to first class shipping, you can do for the cost of £3.95. Now, we cannot affect the speed in which we pick and pack and send your order, but we can affect the speed in which Royal Mail brings it to you. So it won't bump you up the queue. We believe in prioritising the orders for picking in the order they come through to keep it fair for everybody. But it does mean that the second we hand it over to Royal Mail, it will have a first class stamp applied to it and will hopefully get to you a little bit quicker. Again, not only have Royal Mail been hiking their prices recently, they've also slowed down their service for second class delivery in a lot of the country. So again, this might be an option if you're in a bit of a hurry for your goodies. But of course, it's not compulsory and we're not saying you have to use it. And of course, you can still check out and receive your free UK P&P, and it will not affect the speed in which we pick and pack and send your order. It's just the speed in which it is delivered to you. Now, if you do wish to spend less than £10 with us at Craftmania, you absolutely can do. And we know that you don't always want to run to £10 when you're checking out or spending. So you can, of course, choose to also pay for your postage at that stage, and that will have a flat rate of £2.95. And again, we'll give you a second class P&P. Now, I'm sure most of you will choose to continue on and spend your £10 so you receive your free UK P&P, and I certainly don't blame you. Now, our shipping costs and changes, our updates for the 1st of November 2024, do not affect our international shipping. We still send all around the world, and that is capped at just £10. I'm sure you've heard me talk about this previously, but if you spend, it doesn't matter what you spend, it will be capped at £10. And then if it costs us more than £10, we here at Craftmania pay that for you. If it costs us less than £10, then we'll actually refund the difference for you. And that's, of course, for our international customers. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. If you would like to read more about all of the bits I'm telling you, pop onto the website www.craftmaniacrafts.com. You will see a little tab that says Craftmania's Inner Circle Rewards. If you give that a click, it will show you in box form all of the different bits I've been telling you about how our brand new reward system works. If you'd like to know more about the shipping, then pop onto the customer service tab and it will drop down, and one of those will cover shipping for you. Give it a little click and you can go through and you can read about all of the bits I've been telling you about our brand new shipping policies. This is all a way of us working with you, and I mentioned this earlier, but it's trying to build our family with yourselves to make shopping with Craftmania fun, friendly, easy and cost effective for you, and give you those savings and rewards program to hopefully help you collect your points and build up to be able to cash them in for some lovely crafty goodies. Now, as always, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments and we'll certainly do our best to answer them for you. But we would love you to become a member of our brand new program. And if you haven't already joined, because I know a few of you have seen this before our announcements even gone live, but if you haven't already, pop onto the website, become a member. If you're already a member to the website, you'll be able to, when you log in, you will see the rewards tab underneath your drop-down menu for members. Again, give that a click and it will tell you a little bit more about the rewards program. Now, as I say, all of this has started on the 1st of November 2024. So as of this moment, they are our new postage rates and of course our brand new rewards program. I hope you're going to join in. Please let us know what you're thinking. Please let us know how quickly you're collecting your points and how soon do you think you're going to become a diamond member. I have a feeling a few of you will be ticking that before Christmas. Now, thank you for watching today, and don't forget to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.